Hello everybody, welcome to Aki Reggie. This is our almost 2 p.m, we'll call it 1:45 p.m. update on the storm. It's got a little bit lighter. I took off some of the extra protective gear. Boy, it's still snowing. And officially in Boston, about 14.5 inches. Philadelphia should end up somewhere around 14 to 15. And wow, New York City looks like officially gonna end up around 2 feet or more. Jersey coming in around 27 inches. And boy, places in Rhode Island, places south of New York City and west with that heavy band, likely over 30 inches. Rhode Island, 30 to 40 inches. Providence and places in southeast Massachusetts, about 30 miles south of Boston, 30 plus inches. Some places might end up at 40 inches. It is going to be the largest storm ever for those locations. Guys, history was made, and you were a part of it.